Hello everyone. Today we will draw an ant. Let's get started. Black first. Let's draw the head. Draw tendrils. Draw eyes. Let's draw a mouth. Let's draw the body and ass. Let's draw the paws of an ant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coloring time. Brown, light brown.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Red,
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho
blue,
the wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow.